Lately, I started noticing something weird. My traffic wasn't really dropping because of SEO, it was dropping because people just don't click anymore. So as you can see, now AI is suggesting the results, the search results. You search something and you get the answer directly in ChatGPT, Google AI, Perplexity, or anything else. They just give you the result. No reason to open 10 tabs like before. So that got me thinking. If people don't click, then what actually matters now? This is because why I built CiteLure. So its results are not ranking anymore. They are being used as a source. So I built this plugin specifically for that. So this plugin will help your posts and blog content to automatically be cited by search engines. And the idea behind it is pretty simple. Instead of optimizing your content just for search engines, you start structuring it for AI. So when these models generate answers, your content has a higher chance to be picked, summarized, and cited. So let me show you what it does. Actually, the plugin installation is pretty simple, straightforward. I'm just installed it here on my WordPress. I enabled the automatic AI summaries functionality, added my OpenAI API key, selected the model, and this prompt comes out of the box. You can also modify this once you are an advanced user. So once it's active and set up, the first thing you'll notice is a new block which appear on your post. So I have here this post and we can check on the front end how it looks. Here it is. And after we enable the automatic summaries for it, so CiteLure automatic summary for this post, we will be able to save it. And if we refresh our site, a summary appeared, and this is an AI generated summary for our site. So this is what actually the AI crawlers first see, and this is what they are interested in. A very short sentence which summarizes your post or your content, and which will allow the AI crawlers to understand what is in this post. And after they understand this really fast, they will be able to actually cite your post in their responses. So, and the background of the plugin adds metadata also. If we check the site's front backend page, then we will see the metadata listed by CiteLure, and it is actually an article schema. This application LD.json will be added by CiteLure, and it will also help the bots and the AI crawlers to better understand what you have in your site. Also, you will see this little geo score, the generative engine optimization score, which will provide details about how optimized your content will be. And let's test this out. So if we do a copy of this post and publish it on our site, this score will not be 100. It will be reaching 100 only after the AI generated the full structure and it helped optimize this post. So missing clear summary at top, no summary or clear answer at the beginning, no FAQ, content short extraction. And after we refresh this post, because the plugin automatically generates the summaries now, the AI score will be top 100 for 100 points. And also, if we check the blog post again, we will see the summary added and the post is now optimized. So the real answer becomes, when someone asks ChatGPT about French croissants, is your content in the answer or not? So basically, this is what it helps you do. So this plugin basically is trying to solve this issue. And this version is completely free. You can download it and install it for free. You will find it on wordpress.org. It is free to download and install. If you want to automate more things later, there's a pro version also, but even just this change how you think about content. So this version is a great start. If you like it, you can upgrade to pro. So this is all. Let me know your feedback. This is all for today. Bye bye.